My poop doesn't come out. What should I do? Don't worry. It's kinda expected. Hello, Fumio Toki is here. Welcome to my channel Keto Ninja Toki. Do you lately feel fed up with everything at work? Then maybe your physical strength is coming down. I'm creating videos about how to retrieve it. Keto diets are a survival tool we middle-aged men would better have. When you start keto diets, you may get constipation in the first week or two. Many things that occurs because keto diets give you not enough dietary fiber. But as far as I researched, fiber is just a part of the real cause. Before kicking off keto diets, you have enjoyed carb diets for long years. Your digestive system, particularly your bowels, are so used to breaking down carbs and some fiber. That means you have nurtured microbes that digest carbs in your bowels. Now you switch over to fat-rich keto diets out of the blue. In order to digest fats, your bowels need to get rid of the old microbes and build a set of new microbes that break down fats. While this microbe replacement is happening, your bowels don't know what to do. So the bowel movement becomes sluggish for the time being. The meaning is constipation. Thereby, the root cause of constipation is the replacement of microbes in your guts, rather than the absence of fiber in keto diets. Your bowels in the end get the hang of it, and constipation will be gone in usually a week. In the interim, you may treat and ease constipation with the following tips. Tip 1. Drink a lot of water. You want to hydrate your bowels. Cold water is not recommended, though. Cold water chills and weakens your digestive tract. Drink hot water, or at least water in the room temperature. Tip 2. Avoid drinking coffee and tea. Even you hydrate your bowels, coffee and tea dehydrate you. They won't help your constipation. Probably it's a good opportunity to break away from the caffeine addiction if you can. Tip 3. Take magnesium supplements. Magnesium relaxes the gut muscles and pulls water into the bowels so that stools can easily pass. This works, trust me. 4. Eat fermented food. To help your bowels to be back on business, you want to get probiotic microbes. They reactivate your bowels. So why don't you eat fermented food that are full of natural probiotic bacteria? Plain yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are fermented food. If you like miso soup, you want miso paste like this. Or have you ever heard natto? Natto is fermented soybeans. It has distinctive smell, taste, and texture. I don't know you like it or not, but I like it. Natto is a fermented food too. Or you just take a supplement probiotic. Tip 5. Eat soluble fiber. There are two types of fiber, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber may add more bulk to the bowels and aggravate constipation, so do not eat insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and so very gentle to your bowels, and the microbes love to eat it. Let me present two foods that are high in soluble fiber and very low in carbs. Wakame. and konnyaku. Wakame is also called sea vegetable. It has a range of minerals too. Wakame has 1.75 grams of soluble fiber per serving. Konnyaku is rich in calcium as well, and it has 3 grams of soluble fiber per serving. I often cook miso soup with wakame and konnyaku. Two soluble fiber rich food wakame konnyaku in fermented food miso. That must be the best constipation cure food. Hope this helped and eased your constipation. I'm logging off. Happy keto dieting. Bye bye. If you like my video, follow me on Twitter and subscribe my channel. Enjoy your day or a night.